This video is about me experimenting the espresso package for simulating reactions. So what I did is that I took one of these reactions, like I was trying to get the hydrogen generation from lanthanides in CDs and elements. So I broke the reactions in three steps. So first reaction is like gadolinium with hydroxide ion is giving Gd2O3 and H plus ion with some electrons, and I calculated the delta G of this reaction. Now what I did is put I put the delta G here and the temperature, since it is at STP, and I got the equilibrium constant of this reaction. Now I went to the espresso module, and I read about the symbol module, where we can see that the parameter gamma requires equilibrium constant and types like how many species and coefficients like stoichiometric coefficients, product coefficients before charges. I will be showing that. So what I did is I went to the repositories of espresso, and there it was given to a folder like samples. In sample you can see reaction ensemble complex reaction, like it had 3 to 5 species. You can see here like type A, B, C, D, E reactions of these type, but these had no charges, like all of them species are neutral, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what I did is I created a interactive Python and copied this whole code, and uh, I did first I run the system parameters like what it is stated in the documentation. Then I take some parameters like number of reactant pairs. Then following these reactions, like type A is gadolinium, type B is hydroxide ion, and so on. And UA is like coefficient of gadolinium, like it is on the left hand side, so you will take it -2. So I am hydroxide ion, you will take -3, and so on. And then we will have to add charges on them, like type A species carry 0 charge, type B species carry -1 charge, type C 0, type D, here it is GD2O, no, here it is H plus ion, which is carrying +1 charge, and we will treat electron as a species as well, and hence we will use -1. Now what I did is I didn't remove these default codes. I just replaced the gamma value with the equilibrium constant, which I calculated using this value -1258.6 kJ per mole for this reaction, and it came out around 3.4 into 10 power 220. Then I just put the value and also included the charges here, like type A with charge QA, type B with charge QB, A with charge KC, like reactant type A and type B. Coefficients absolute, we are taking absolute here, mm, but the analytical concentration calculator use it as negative to compensate the resulted concentration. Same product type CDE, product coefficient CDE and NU. Then after running it, it will give out the concentration using the simulation and expected. Since the K value, yeah, or equilibrium constant is too high, it is matching the analytical concentration. For smaller K values, it will solely depend on Monte Carlo interactions. Same thing I did for my target was to get a H plus ion concentration in in this closed system. So I did this for lanthanum as well, and used the gamma value is 2.0 to the power 1216, and it came around 1.259 or 1.2980 mole per liter. You can see the lanthanum I metal is giving more H plus ion than gadolinium with the same number of interaction, same number of reactant pairs. Same I did for dysprosium, and it is giving around 1.55 mole per liter. Same I did for cerium, same reaction, nothing is changed, just the gamma value, and it is giving 1.81. That's it. Since it didn't contain any reaction ensemble tutorial like here. See, in the build for this is my build folder, docs, tutorials. There are like 12 tutorials. It had constant pH interactive Python tutorial, but for reaction ensemble, it had nothing. So it was created. I mean, these two are basic. Like this is for polymer reaction ensemble, and this is for simple ionic. That's it. This is how you can also do some analysis of your reaction. I had to do these. I calculated the delta G values and compared it with the per mole of hydrogen produced for this reaction. Since the amount of hydrogen produced will directly depend on the hydrogen ion on the right hand side, that's why I am keeping eye on the H plus ion concentration. It is also not the accurate one since we are considering here the closed system, like there is no escape of H plus ion by combining it with electron. It is just giving in the like worst case scenario, like we are not isolating the hydrogen gas from the reaction. I think this is enough on how to use reaction ensemble module of espresso. Thank you.